Good evening everyone. Today we have studied about application softwares. What are application softwares? These are the softwares which are designed for a specific application. They are written by the programmers. For example, we have railway reservation software, medical, billing, etc. Application softwares are further classified as general purpose softwares, specific softwares, customized softwares. Now what are general purpose softwares? General purpose softwares, they are designed for all users. They have a specific price but can be used by anyone without making any changes. For example, we have MS Office, Open Office, etc. MS Office has an application like MS Word that can be used by any person to make the documents in MS Word. We can create presentation using MS PowerPoint. So these are available for any user. Just the need is to install the particular package in your system. After that we have various general purpose softwares. These are your word processing software, means MS Word, Open Office Writer. These are the two examples of this. Next one is your electronic spreadsheet, means the Excel sheet which you use into your systems. This will give you ability to write the data into rows and columns. After that we have presentation software. Everybody knows what are presentation software. These are the software which provide you to write your data into a presentable form using the slides. After that we have database management system, means the DBMS, which will take the records and the fields format and represent the data into a table. Next one is desktop publishing packages. What are these? These are the, like, we have our specific desktop publishing packages through which we can easily specify what kind of the particular package we are using into our system. These next one is a multimedia software. Multimedia software means the software which enables you to use various audios, videos, text, graphics, animations into your system. They come under multimedia softwares. After that we have next one, specific purpose software. What are these? These are the software which has a specific purpose and solves a specific task. For example, we have payroll system, tax planner facility, etc. Suppose in a school we want to see the payroll system, then this will hold that how many teachers were present on which date, what is the total number of sick leaves, what is the total number of present leaves. All these will be counted under a particular software named payroll software. So this can be taken into another enterprises also. All will have a record of a specific particular software. They are designed for that particular software only. Payroll system cannot be used into tax planner facility. Both of them have different working and different functioning. After that we have next one, customized software. This is a tailor-made software which is made according to users' need. For example, if a school asks for a software for managing records of the students and staff, then they need to specify the number of the students, number of teachers, and they need to specify their needs, that what kind of programs or changes or the fields they want into that particular software. It will be designed according to their need. After customized softwares, we have mobile applications. What are mobile applications? These are the softwares which are present into the mobiles which are used as apps. Okay, the software which are used in mobile as apps, they are called mobile application. If we just take example, we have four photo editor app, WhatsApp, and then others like you have your TikTok also, MX Player also. These are your other apps which are used into your mobiles. You use those softwares into your mobiles in order to meet your requirement. So that was all which we had done today, and